Following me in my new carving yard, creating the bear bench. This is still the bear bench, but we got a piece here we're going to start doing detail work on, and I got a piece over here we'll do the work on after this one's done. You guys know the deal. I got no room in this carving tent. It is what it is, but I've got a storm rolling in. I knew that was going to happen on my next available day to work on these, and so I needed to bring them here in the tent so I could work on them today. You guys could probably even hear the rain. I don't know if sometimes the camera magnifies that sound, but the deal is I'm going to try to get you guys some shots. We got to put in some eyes, clean up these fur patterns. We got to do a little carving and detail work with the power tools. I'll be using my die grinders and my Saburrtooth burrs, flame bits from Saburrtooth to do that. Then we'll go ahead, we'll torch them, hit them with the flat sander, and if all goes well today, we'll get into doing some paint and a little bit of finish. So hopefully you guys are still here with me, still sticking around for this project. And yeah, let's just keep going. Oh, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, check it out. The bench is done, at least done for the video. I got one coat of clear on everything. It'll get 2 more full coats before it's completely finished and ready for the customer. Don't mind, it's kind of propped up on a hill, sort of slants that way, so it looks crooked, but it sits nice and flat. Let's give it a look over, all right? Bear number 1 done. Carved heart. Some bark missing in here. It's actually three-dimensional. Might be tough to see, but it is. Happy anniversary. Happy 20th anniversary. A couple bear tracks. Another thing of bark missing. Put my hand in there, you guys can kind of see it's three-dimensional. A little tough on camera. Got the customers' names though. Crystal and Jamie. Carved in like the bark is missing once again. And our bear number 2 sitting in a log. This was a fun carve. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't already, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, even if it's just a thumbs up. Leave me some feedback. Let me know what you guys think of this project. And check out some links down below through Amazon. You guys purchase through those links. They help support the channel. If you really enjoy my work and really enjoy the art and the furniture and the carvings, and you want to become a member to help support the channel directly, you guys can do so by hitting the join button, or down below in the description, I believe it says become a member here. You guys can go check that out, see what it's all about. As of right now, I got 10 channel members. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your direct support. I really, really do appreciate it. And I appreciate all of you that watch and have followed. It's awesome to have all of you here. Hope you guys enjoy it. We'll be working on some more carvings. Be getting some new tutorials together really, really soon. So be sure to stick around, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. Have an awesome weekend. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.